Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see problem we were unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use, Valorant. If you're getting this message while updating or launching your game, don't worry. Follow these steps carefully, and let's get straight into it. First, close Riot Vanguard completely. Open the Windows search bar and type Riot. Close any Riot Vanguard or Riot client processes that are currently running. Now we'll reset the Vanguard services. Open Windows Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, enter the Vanguard service commands shown on screen one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. Wait for each command to finish before entering the next one. After you've completed the commands, restart your computer. This restart is important because it stops any background Vanguard services that could still be using the files you're trying to update. Once your computer starts again, let's remove the old Vanguard files. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Select this PC, open your C drive, then go to Program Files. Look for the Riot Vanguard folder. If the folder is still there, right-click it and select Delete. If Windows says the folder or one of its files is currently being used and won't let you delete it, don't worry. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Look through the running processes and close any Riot or Vanguard processes that are still active. If necessary, check the Startup Apps section as well and disable Riot Vanguard temporarily. Then return to the Program Files folder and try deleting the Riot Vanguard folder again. Once it's successfully removed, restart your computer one more time. After Windows starts, open the Riot client and launch your game. Riot Vanguard should be installed again automatically, allowing the update to continue with fresh files. If the update still fails, make sure the Riot client is completely closed before trying again, and check that your antivirus or security software isn't locking Riot files. So, to recap, close Riot Vanguard, reset its services through Command Prompt, restart your PC, remove the Riot Vanguard folder, restart again, and then launch the Riot client. Hopefully, this gets rid of the file in use update error and lets your Riot game update normally. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.